Make a Lue flower. Let's take a look. I used the colors for this petal. Pink and peach. The peach sticks are all 10 centimeters long because I made it smaller. You can also make it 15 centimeters. I use 10 centimeter sticks. Wrap a pink stick around this pink twisty stick. Then let's observe, because the outer part of this flower is pink. So we need to fold the pink. Fold the long side over. Then twist the two pink ones together. And then fold the long one over. In this way, the outer edge of the flower will be all pink. If we don't cross it like that just now, there will be peach pink on the outside. Now let's adjust the shape of the flower. And then close the bottom. After you learn this method, in the future, if the inner and outer sides of the petals have different colors, you can use this method. Now I'll demonstrate it again. This is actually quite simple. It's actually quite simple. It's just that you need to wrap the stick. Is to transfer the color on top. To bring the color on top. It's like threading the stick through the top. And then lay it down. And then lay it down again. Finally, to make the color of its outer edge uniform. Then adjust the shape of the bottom. And close the bottom. And the petal is done. Now, cut off the extra long sticks of the petals. And leave a little short. Leaving a little short for easy sticking later. Now, prepare a small wire. And some off-white stamens. Use 7 or 8 stamens here. Then arrange them neatly. Fold it in half again. And stick it on the flower stem. Because the stamens are relatively long. So generally when making flowers, I need to fold the stamens in half. Now, cut the bottom of the petals. Cut the stick a little bit, because some of them are too long. Make them all neat. Now you can glue the petals. This petal is slightly turned outward. This arc, when you're sticking them, just bend it slightly. When you stick it, the front should be glued more tightly. Because there are relatively many petals. It has a total of 8 petals. If the front is not glued tightly, the back may not be able to fit. If the root is too thick when sticking, you can use a lighter to burn it. Sticking while roasting. Also, when sticking, pay attention to the length of the petals should be the same. Because sometimes the petals we make, although we cut them according to 10 centimeters, some sticks may have a little difference in length. The petals may have length differences. But when sticking, we can stick it a little higher. Or a little lower. To achieve a uniform length effect. When gluing the other side, adjust the distance between the petals. Well, just estimate it yourself. Because there are 8 petals. To make them evenly distributed, there is only 1 petal left. After gluing this petal, the flower is basically done. Now, adjust the curvature of each petal. Adjust the distance between the petals. Then straighten the shape of the petals. This flower is done. Similarly, bake the root. Wrap the bottom with floral tape yourself. Most of Lue flowers are in clusters. Make more of them. And then put them together. It will look good. The tutorial is over.